Hi everyone! Zin Ivy B. Welcome to my channel. How are you? Kamusta po? Kamusta ba? I hope everybody are doing good. Your family and friends, and of course you. I hope you're all doing very, very well. So, yes, it's another beautiful day and another unboxing on my Zumbawear. So I ordered the new Zumbawear, and I'm happy to share again on. Yes, it's a smaller box right now. It's a smaller box that I received, but I don't know. I ordered it. I ordered the shoes, but I don't know which one of the shoes that I have in this box. It's really still sealed, so I want to share it with you what's inside my box. So yes, let's do it and let's open it. So let's open it now. So I just open it. So of course it's well packed, well packaged, well done, of course. Especially it's a shoe, so they're handling it properly and nicely. So yeah. So this is the proof of receipt that I ordered. There's one item here. Yes. And this is what I really want to share with you, because in Zumbawear they have shoes, so they have a lot of colorful shoes that I have on the collections. It's up to you which one do you really prepare to use and want to order. So I have this one. So this is the box for Zumbawear, and it's a real nice packaging that I have, as you can see. This is their website if you're interested, and it's really nice packaging. It's really beautiful packaging, really colorful, and it's really nice one. And yes, I ordered one cup. This is it will be a gift for one of my super loving friend in my Zumba life. So I'll just show it to you, but this is not mine. So yeah, so this is one of their Zumba cup that I have. This is one size fits most Zumba glow hat. So yeah, so it means it glows. Really how nice it is. And I'm not really a cup person, but it's a nice color, really nice color for Zumba. And I have one t-shirt, but I don't need to open it because it's just a plain black with Zumba logo inside. But well, yeah, this is the most important one that I ordered, which, like I'm saying, I don't know what it is. It's Zumbawear Low. Okay, so this is in yellow color. So this is color shoes in yellow size. So yeah, see, it's a well packaging that they're doing. It's really nice packaging, as you can see. Well packaging with a heart on it. It's really beautiful. Yes, it's a yellow Zumba shoes. How nice the color. Yes, so this is the color yellow Zumba shoes that I have in their collection. How beautiful it is. Yeah. So as you can see with the color, it's really make a bright and bright color. This is size 6 or 36 in US or 36.5 in Euro. This is the women's size. This is leather and textile uppers. So this is the leather part and then the textile. Yeah, she is so beautiful color. I'm not really a yellow a yellow color pan of shoes. But for Zumbawear, it's so nice that yeah, you can mix colors with your shirts, with your clothes, with your leggings, and she is so beautiful. And it's really comfortable shoes. That's why I ordered this one, because I have it in blue and I will show it to you. And it was really nice color. How nice it is. It's really comfy color, comfy shoes. It's really comfortable, so soft, so easy to use, and it's not heavy, really not heavy, and it's easy to move when you're doing your Zumba class and even just a normal class with a Zumba teacher. It's really an easy one. So isn't it just beautiful? Yes. I answered myself. And yeah, this is my first Zumba shoes, and I will show you the other one, the color blue that I have, and it's just really beautiful. So yes, this is my two Zumba shoes in the same pattern but different color. So this is the Air Low, and both are size 6 or 36.5 because I have a small feet. So this is the blue one that I have. As you can see, she's still in a good condition, even if I rock it so much or I use it so much. See? This is the blue one. And yeah, I can even mix match maybe the styling of the shoes. Isn't it nice? Yeah, really the same one. And they're beautiful. I can maybe mix match the blue and the yellow as one, you know, since it's both the same design and style. Yeah, that's it. This is my first Zumba part 1 that I'm gonna share to you, because I still have one more to show you, but I will separate video. It will be in a separate video since it's a different kind style of the shoes. The Air Low size 6. Yes guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for staying with on my channel. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on my videos, and hope you like this. Hope it will help you boost your personality also. And you know, I'm not doing videos before, and now I have the guts and I'm confident to come out and share what I have, my small collections that I have. So I'm happy to share, like those Zumbawear that I have. I'm happy to share it with you and discuss with you all the likes that I have. So thank you for staying in. So yes, thank you and love you all guys. Thank you again. Zin Ivy B signing off. Bye.